The rain came softly that morning, not the kind that drowns the city, but the kind that whispers against windows like static. Inside a quiet apartment, the lights were still off. The hum of life hadn't begun yet, but then a faint blue glow, traced along the edge of the kitchen, countered the first sign of movement. This wasn't a story about luxury or futuristic tech that cost a fortune. It was about affordable intelligence. This is the story of how 5 small, inexpensive devices turned a simple apartment into something alive, not over-engineered, just smart where it really matters. The clock read 6:47 a.m. A small, puck-sized device on the nightstand blinked awake. "Good morning, Alex," it said softly, its voice smooth but gentle. This budget smart assistant, retailing under $50, was the heartbeat of this home. It's the hub that listens, learns, and connects everything else. It isn't flashy like the premium brands, but it understands patterns when Alex likes to wake up, what playlists they prefer, even how long the shower usually runs before the water reaches that perfect temperature. "Lights, sunrise mode," Alex whispered. Instantly, a $12 Wi-Fi bulb filled the room with a pale amber light, gentle, gradual, almost human in its timing. 2 devices, under $60 combined, and the room already felt like the future. In the kitchen, a small motion sensor clicked on the moment Alex's feet crossed the tile. You wouldn't even see it, just a subtle eye tucked near the doorway, but its effect was immediate. The coffee machine activated. The toaster started to preheat. The window blinds lifted halfway to let in the morning light. This smart motion sensor, the 3rd device, had no screens, no dramaturgist presence. It learned when mornings began and adjusted its timing every single day. What made it so powerful wasn't its cost, it was its intuition. This $20 piece of plastic now carried an awareness. The coffee smelled rich and inviting before Alex even touched a button. This is how automation should feel, like a kindness, not a command. The 4th device sat near the window, a smart plug, barely noticeable, but the unsung hero of every small home upgrade. Every evening, it silently powered down idle chargers, lamps, and gaming consoles, preventing phantom power drain. And every morning, it powered back only what was needed, nothing more. It saved energy quietly, like an invisible guardian of the electric bill. And at just $10 a piece, it was the kind of upgrade that felt almost unfair, such a small object, making such an enormous difference. This is the secret about smart homes today. They're not built with money. They're built with attention, small, thoughtful decisions stacking up until your house starts to think with you. By 9 a.m., the rain had stopped. A breeze rolled through the half-open window, carrying the sounds of distant traffic and morning birds. Alex grabbed a jacket. It was time to leave for work. But before walking out the door, a single sentence. "Turn on away mode." The assistant responded instantly, its voice calm and reassuring. "Security armed. Devices and standby. Power saving active." The 5th device, a budget smart security camera, blinked alive near the doorway. It was compact, magnetic, and discreet. It didn't broadcast loudly or feed endless data streams to the cloud. Instead, it recognized faces, detected unusual motion, and only recorded when it truly mattered. And the best part, no draining your storage or expensive subscription fees. It used local memory. Smart, cheap, and private. Alex smiled. For the price of a single dinner out, this home now had eyes that never slept. Or worse, passed. Outside, the sky brightened and then darkened again, the slow, familiar loop of city life and motion. But inside that apartment, small miracles unfolded completely unnoticed. The smart plug cut power to idle chargers around noon. The assistant automatically dimmed the living room lights when the afternoon sun shone brightly through the blinds. The thermostat, paired with the assistant's sensors, adjusted the airflow to keep the temperature perfect without wasting a single watt of energy. None of it needed supervision. It just worked. And that was the beauty of it all. Not a home that boasted about its technology, but one that seamlessly absorbed it. Evening arrived quietly. The door lock clicked open as Alex approached. The smart assistant had recognized the phone's geolocation signal. Inside, soft jazz filled the room. That same $12 smart bulb had shifted its color temperature to a cozy, warm gold. The home didn't need to show off. It simply understood rhythm. Alex tossed their bag on the couch and laughed softly. "You know me too well." The assistant responded almost playfully. "I learned from the best. There was a real comfort in that, the kind of feeling that used to be pure science fiction. But now, it was powered by 5 small devices, none costing more than a takeout order." Dinner was calm. After 15 minutes of inactivity in the kitchen, the motion sensor dimmed the lights, as if politely asking, "Are you done in here?" The smart plug powered down the air fryer the moment its cycle ended. Before bed, the assistant reminded Alex of tomorrow's weather: light showers, 62 degrees, low humidity. Everything felt coordinated, effortless, like invisible hands smoothing out the wrinkles of the day. And that's what people miss when they think a smart home has to be expensive. It doesn't. It just needs to be thoughtful. It's about using affordable pieces that make you forget you're even using them. Later that night, as city lights glowed outside the window, Alex sat in bed scrolling through the day's energy report. Total automation savings, $2.38. It might not sound like much, but it stacks up. $2 a day becomes $60 a month. That's over $700 a year. Saved one light bulb at a time. And that's the real story, not the spectacle of technology, but the quiet, powerful arithmetic of simplicity. Before drifting off to sleep, Alex spoke softly into the dark. "Good night." The assistant's glow dimmed instantly. "Good night, Alex." Rest mode active. Fans powered down. Lights eased to black. Security was armed. Every system whispered into silence. 5 devices, that's all it took. No corporate ecosystem. No luxury architecture. No AI subscription fees. Just human comfort, simplified through small, brilliant pieces of tech. The city outside still buzzed with neon and noise, but inside this small apartment, peace ran on Wi-Fi. Every watt mattered. Every second was earned, and every device humble, affordable, and powerful proved that the smartest home isn't built with money. It's built with intention. Thanks for watching. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ideas on smart, simple living. See you next time.